Workshop Wednesday on Wednesday, everybody. How y'all? We're good. Eli's making fun of me back there. Y'all see him? I can't see him.
Everybody.
No, everybody. We're at the engraving bench. I am I gotta. Uh-oh, got my finger in the way. That's what we're eyeballing on. That's TCA bit number 2, my third project. Got it going here under the microscope. That's all cool. I'm gonna turn the light out so y'all can see a little better. But anyhow, that's what we're doing. Oh, I'm gonna show you the mouthpiece. Maybe I showed y'all the other day, I don't remember. There's the mouthpiece, little San Joaquin. Got a little curve back on it. It's kind of cool. Let's forge that guy all out. That was a fun forging job. But that's my third and final piece. Oh, I'll have a little simple something. It'll be fun and exciting. Won't take me a couple days, hopefully. But that's the project. Did y'all see Tuesdays with 2 with Willie yesterday? Workshop Wednesday's a little silly. Tuesdays at 2's kind of been kind of serious. I don't know how to do the serious thing very well, but it's working out okay, I guess. Got some good questions, and y'all send them in to me. It's fun to answer them, and it went all kinds of different ways. There was some business stuff and some craft stuff and all that, so it's all good. But thank you everybody who is following all that silliness and participating, and you know, what else we got? Patreon kicking. We did a Goop transfer today, or that's what Eli's working over there right now. He's video editor. Y'all didn't know he'd probably get an Academy Award one of these days for his video editing, for his filmmaking. Yeah, he'll have to edit this, like just put it on. He'll post it, but that's editing. That's part of his productions too, I guess. Oh well. What else have I got to tell y'all? I don't know what else to tell y'all. I'm busy as hell and you're bothering me. And I'm sitting here at the engraving bench and Eli's bothering me, telling me I got to do this. And thanks, Lo.
Yeah.
It's Lo's fault. Anyhow.
Yeah.
Oh, what else we got? It's hot. God.
Yeah.
It's hot.
That's not cool.
Hot. 106 yesterday and 104 today, and that bad boy right there is rocking though, guys. We got the thermostat set on a nice cool 74, so no whining. It's nice and good in here. And look at my hair. Look at that shoot. I asked Eli a while ago, how's my hair look? Oh, it's fine, Willie, it's fine. Bull crap. I had to go look, make sure, because I don't trust little booger anymore. He's gonna make me look silly. That's the way it is. And then Bubba's gonna call, Did Young gonna call. Your hair, Willie, good grief. Speaking, y'all should have seen the Did Young sent me a while ago. He's trying to give me opening lines for Workshop Wednesday. I'll hire him. He ought to do this, but oh well. Y'all, I'm back to work. I gotta go to work. I'm sorry for bothering y'all. Thanks for following, and we'll see you next week. Tuesdays at 2. Little warm up for Workshop Wednesday. Anyhow, see y'all then. Adios.